Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's CJ, and we recently got this treadmill for free. It's a Xterra. I've had a treadmill in the past before, but I haven't had one in a while. And I just want to go through the setup because some people may be confused about how to start it up, how to do the setup. Okay, so first things first, on the back of the treadmill, mostly every treadmill will have a power cable. Okay, here's your power cable. You should see right here on the back, 120 volt. You're going to plug that into here, and then after that you have the plug itself and plug it into an outlet. Okay, so that's the first step. Next step is you need to make sure that the power is on the treadmill itself. Okay, here we go. All right, you push the power and you know that this treadmill has power. That red light indicates that it has power. The light could go out, but you would know that it has power from my turning on that on and off switch, the main switch itself. Okay, so here's the funny part. You hooked it up, you got it all plugged in, you put this on, you hit the start button. Start. Nothing happens. You're trying to figure it out, you didn't get any directions about it. And I thought it'd just be a good video to make. This is very straightforward, guys, really not difficult. The question is, okay, so if that's not working, what is the problem? So the thing is that this needs power, right? So what you're gonna do is remove this by lifting up, and you're gonna drop it down. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this switch off just so for now. I just want you guys to see what the deal is. The power cable is actually in here to send power to up there. So you have this connector piece right here. So where's the other line to connect this connector? So it's actually running up in there, down this pole. They didn't say anything to me, but I figured it out. And there it is. So you need to get this plug, and you need to plug it in there, but you need to do it carefully and make sure that it is connected, and it's also not getting pinched right before you go to actually push that in. If the pole side without the cables on the left, then feed the left or the right, whichever one it is, do that one first. Then you're going to go ahead and connect your connector. This connector does go down one way. There's only one way to do it. So you're going to see that this side has a little bit of a post on that side. The post side is going to be the side where you see there's a little bit of an opening right here. You can see that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and push that down in there and make sure it fully connects, and it should look something like that. It's not going to, you may not hear it click, but as long as it doesn't separate and it is together. All right, and then feed that down. Make sure you feed it down. So you get this piece and also feed that up. You don't want this wire to get pinched at all. And then you can go ahead and slide that down back in place. Okay, and then you just look through and make sure it's not getting pinched by the wire anywhere when you put your bolts through. Alright, so now you can go ahead and push the power button on the switch. Obviously, now you hear the beep. That beep indicates that you definitely have that power connected, okay? You can see it's already powered on. Automatically, it's on. Now, if you unplug this, it's automatically going to end it. This is a kill switch, basically. So if you have this plugged in, what you would do is you clip this safety clip onto your body, and let's just say you're going too fast and you start to fall off, that's going to kill it, and it's going to stop your treadmill immediately. So that's what this is for. It's a kill switch button. But I hope I helped you guys. Like I said, do not use the treadmill till you're finally fully connected. You got your bolts in place, and make sure that wire's not getting pinched. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!